So, good day, sir. So, in this video, I will be introducing myself and tell you my expectations on this subject, Basic Electrical Engineering, or also known as EE210. So, first of all, sir, ako si Ayenchi Akyatan, and I'm currently 21 years old, and I live in Balulang, Cagayan de Oro City. So, before ko magtaas ng expectations, sir, i-share na ko sa mga ng engineer ko, or specifically nag-mechanical engineering ko. So, nag-mechanical engineering ko, sir, kay wala, gusto ko mechanical engineer, sir. Tapos, I love to study machines, sir. Machines. And gusto ko magtrabaho sa planta. O gusto ko daw field do. Kung partikalan lang. O, napwede ko i-share na ako sa akong hobbies. So, ang mga likes na gusto mo ginabuhat na ako. So, me, sir, as an individual, ganahan ko play computer, play sports, mag-wander around, mag-jogging, hiking, and learn, and constantly learning muna akong concern ang hobbies. And also reading books, sir. So, my expectations sa subject, sir, is I hope na we will learn, and I hope na you will be a good mentor for us engineers, and I hope na pod na ma-apply na mo ang na-learn sa imo directly sa mga mechanical engineers. And unta, sir, di mo pagsakon and butan ka sa mo, sir. And moro to, sir. Thank you.